How to fix Roblox stuck on joining server. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First step is you have to check the internet connection. To do so, go to settings. Now go to connections. Wi-Fi. Now make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Go back and then enable flight mode. Enable it for a few seconds, turn it off and then turn your Wi-Fi on again. After that, simply go to your Play Store and then you will have to search for Roblox. Now, make sure you have the latest version of Roblox. If there is an update button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version of Roblox. Now, go to settings again, scroll down, go to apps, scroll down and then locate Roblox application. After that, go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.